Hi friends, May Flom here in the studio, nice and messy on this beautiful bright spring day. And today I'm talking to you about the Everyday Explorers mini book kit. This is a great opportunity if you're trying to get yourself to document more or journal more, or just wanting a project that's very attainable in a short amount of time and that has a lot of direction. This is a good one. So I'm going to show you, first let me show you how I put this together.
The kit comes like this, all wrapped up. And here's the awesome thing. Every part of this kit is helpful. It comes wrapped up in a little sleeve that, as you open it up, shows you all kinds of ways where you could sketch out your plan or your ideas if you wanted to do that. The notebook itself is 4x6, and that's a really nice size for, you can put all kinds of ephemera, as you'll be seeing me do, because I'll be making these every month. There's a lot of things you can do with it. What I am doing is starting with some stamping. So this kit includes a stamp set, and I'm just coming up with different stamp and inks, and I'm just using dye inks and starting to decorate. The thing with a blank journal is it's the hardest to do just to get started. For me, always. The blank page is always the scariest. What if I mess it up? What if I don't like it? Don't worry about the what ifs, just get it started. Now, as I do get this started, what I'm finding is there's sticker sheets, there's die cut sheets, there's all kinds of fun stuff in this kit, and I can look them all over, pick ones I want, and start to decorate. Now, I decided that this page here at the end, what I'm going to actually do is recap the trip day by day. Like, here were the highlights, here's where we ate kind of stuff, here's what we saw, here's where we went, just the totally brief recap. So I'm just setting this up with some stickers for style. And if you're wondering, well, why are you putting stickers and stuff in this before you do it? I intend to use this as more as a journal and a collection of ephemera, less of a scrapbook. So because of that, I can go ahead and start decorating and then work around the existing decorations. I can also always add more later. And I can also, as you can see right there, my ink went through the paper a bit. I used a new to me ink pad that's just very, very dense ink, and it bled through a little bit. So I just covered that spot up with stickers. No big deal. You could also, to avoid this, you can stamp onto sticker paper or other paper and then put that into your journal. You can also pre-stamp and just take a sheet of pre-stamped images. So if you haven't decided but you want to create and journal on the go, you can do that. Now I'm just going through day by day and adding stickers. I'm not really thinking about it too much, not over complicating things. I'm just adding some stickers in corners, at the tops, at the bottoms, and I'm just enjoying this process of, okay, well, what page where would I like this? What page would this look good on? When you actually do this where you pre-decorate a little bit, I find a couple of things. Number one, it is a lot easier to dive into that project and really just go for it, because what do you have to lose? No big deal. You can just create this and then just do whatever you're going to do with it. You can just create it and then just start, and it's already been started, so there's no blank page fear. You don't have to worry about messing it up. You can just start writing and going. It gives you that permission of, oh, this is already started. This is no longer the scary blank page. So there is that. Now I am adding some letter stickers from my stash to this kit just to add the Go 2021. And then I'm going to also add some stickers and some stamping on the front here, just as a fun little touch. But I really encourage you in some way, if you're interested in adding some journaling, telling more stories, maybe improving your scrapbooking stories by writing a little more, a project like this can be a lot of fun. And these kits, I am super excited to see what they'll have in store for the future, because I'm an Everyday Explorers fan. I have been for a very long time, and these kits are very exciting to my creative life.
So basically this now all set, the few stickers I have left are back here, and then my book is ready to go. As you can see, it's got all its pages. The intention that I have is that I will take this on my first big adventure, and it does fit back in the little sleeve. There's a little sleeve that's normally for stamps, but this fits in there, which I love. So this and a pen and adhesive, this, yeah, that's it. That comes with me on my first big adventure, and guess what? I'll just fill it up with ephemera, with stories. Not really going to treat this so much as a scrapbook, because I do scrapbook and I love to scrapbook as well. This is more like a travel journal, a notebook. Stories as they happen, details and things. I love creating those kinds of projects. And sometimes I'll add pictures, but sometimes I really do just like creating them to tell the stories and to say, okay, well, here's what I've got. Here's what I'd like to say. And a lot of times those are some of my very favorite little treasured mementos from travel. So I've got all that and I'm excited to make this. I'm putting a link to Everyday Explorers below where you can see if you're interested in such a project. I think I was really excited when she talked to me about this. I do some videos for them. Every month I make videos for Everyday Explorers. So I was really excited to see this and play with it, and it really inspired me, all of the ideas that are included, all that I can make this, and also that the stamps will translate into my future creating for a very long time. So that's always good too. If you have any questions, or if there's anything you'd like to see in a future video, like I said, when this gets filled out in a couple months here, I will bring it back and show it to you again here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you are subscribing so you don't miss any of the videos, and I'll see you next time.